Hello guys, welcome back, and today I will be talking about Emirates Cabin Crew Requirements. The basic requirement is that you should be aged at least of 21 years or over. An arm reach of 212 centimeters. Females can reach this height while standing on tiptoes. You should possess a minimum height of 5 feet and 2 inches, that is 160 centimeters. Education. You should be a high school graduate. Fluency in written and spoken English. Knowing an additional language is desirable. You should not have any visible tattoos while wearing the uniform, that is, outside the grey area. And the most important thing, you should be physically fit with a healthy BMI. Your weight should be proportionate to your height. Excellent grooming. You should always look glamorous. And if you are hired, you will have to relocate to Dubai. Talking about vision, you can wear spectacles or either contact lenses. If you wish to be a flight attendant, you have to be single. Any sort of facial piercings are not allowed. One piercing on the lower earlobe is preferred. Any kind of dental braces are not allowed. You cannot have any scars which are visible in uniform. What I have to say is, do not let scars stop reaching your dream. I will be talking about scars in more detail in a separate video. Write your questions on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.